Hey, folks, that front came through in a big way today. Not so much with the rain. There was a little, but not much. But, of course, the story was the wind gusting to 45 miles an hour or so behind the front after gusting to 50-plus during the daytime yesterday. There were some gusts over 50 in the upper valley as the front came through, but now things have really cleared out. All the clouds are gone. It's a clear night. The wind has gone away, and temperatures are going to drop quickly. They're already falling. Let's look at the sky cover overnight tonight. 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, noon, 1, 2, just clear, sunny during the daytime tomorrow. No clouds at all. Then late tomorrow into Friday, probably seeing a few clouds show up, especially near the coast, and maybe a brief shower along the coast. But I think for the most part, Friday is a dry day. I think it's Saturday when we get into potential for some decent rainfall. Notice how the clouds thicken up, and as the day goes on, rain begins to show up and is with us much of the day. As we alluded to earlier, the model's kind of hinting that the most significant rain will be in the eastern half of the valley from, about McAllen on eastward. West of that, there may not be as much. And the suggestion is ½ an inch to an inch of rain possible, not just Saturday, but into Saturday night, even early Sunday. There could be some leftover moisture, but by Sunday afternoon, it should move out. So the next 2 days should be dry, but then we jump to 60% on Saturday and probably 40% or so early Sunday. Now, temperatures at this hour dropping quickly. We're at 45 here in Weslaco, 42 in Rio Grande City, 43s as you get closer to the coast. Our dew points are down in the 20s and 30s, and the temperature, in theory, could get as low as the dew point. I don't think we'll make it, and the dew points may come up a little bit overnight, but on the muggy meter, we're way down here. We are off the chart low because the air is really super dry across the region. So low humidity, light winds, clear skies, everything that favors temperatures falling, and this is about where we'll end up in the morning. Now, most places should stay slightly above freezing, and a few places like Rio Grande City and much of Starr County, northern Hidalgo County, could touch the freezing mark briefly, but I think anybody's fair game for frost. That could be an issue in a lot of places because even though the official air temperature, which is taken about 5 or 6 feet off the ground, could be 34, 36 degrees down at the ground level, it could be colder than that, so you could end up with frost. That's pretty typical. Now, tomorrow, we warm back up. Sun comes out in a hurry, and when that happens, temperatures jump, and by middle of the afternoon, we'll be back in the 70s again, except to the beach, about 66 there. Southeast wind will kick in. So 71's the normal. Tomorrow will be 72, and then 68's Friday and Saturday, courtesy of another front that will move through on Friday. Temperatures across the state a little chilly tonight. It's in the 30s up into Dallas and Abilene and Austin, San Antonio, even as high pressure is built in. It will slowly move away tomorrow. Another front will come in on Friday. That front, not particularly cold. It's a Pacific air mass, so it's not a cold air mass, but it'll reinforce the air that's here now, bring clouds, and an upward disturbance is going to get caught up in things on Saturday, and that's what's going to push some rain into the region. This model doesn't show a whole lot, but I think there'll be some rain around, and it'll linger into probably the early part of the day on Sunday and then move out, at least if things hold according to what we're thinking right now. At the coast, southeast winds turning around to the east at 5 to 10. Small craft advisory is gone. There's still a high risk of rip currents. There were 3 tides. So tonight, low to mid 30s, clear skies, frost in some spots. Then tomorrow, back up to 72. Plenty of sunshine, but a gorgeous day. Again, 72 with low humidity and light winds. That'll be nice. Friday, just a few more clouds. Not quite as warm, courtesy of the front. Front doesn't make much difference in temperatures, but it does bring a rain chance for Saturday. You look at Sunday, could be a leftover morning shower, sunshine for a couple of days. Another front on Tuesday looks to be a pretty good front as well. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.